Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a full Binance tutorial on how to use Binance platform in doing whatever thing you want to do. All you just need to do right now is to stick to the very end, as I'm going to be sharing with you how to make use of Binance, what you need to know in order for you to get started, especially if you're a beginner, and all you just need to do in order for you to get started. There are other exchange platforms in which you can also use in trading your crypto or buying crypto or doing whatever thing you want to do when it comes to cryptocurrency. But Binance is always the #1 platform in which I will always recommend for anyone who wants to make it and get started. All you just need to do right now is to stick to the very end, as I'm going to be sharing an in-depth tutorial on how all of these things work. So if this is what you want to see, all you just need to do is to stick to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be showing you how to do all of these things with your smartphone. If you are joining me for the first time, my name is Kelechi Franklin. All I do on this channel is to share tips and trade strategy. Once the work I come here, I share them with you, you also get the same result. So all you just need to do right now is to click on the subscribe button, on the notification, and don't forget to give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this particular video. So this beginner guide on how to use Binance platform is for everybody. So no matter where you are, whether you are outside Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are in South Africa, wherever you are, all you just need to do is to stay to the very end, because I'm going to be sharing with you all you need to know about Binance platform in order for you to get started and start making money for yourself. So I'm going to be using my phone to show you all you need to know, because majority of individuals who trade or who would like to start trading would like to use their phone. So using my smartphone, this is what I'll be able to use in showing you all how to get started with all of these and get started. So let's get started.
So guys, once you open your Binance app, it will appear like this. But before it appears like this, if you are new and you have not registered with Binance, all you just need to do right now is to use the link in the description and then sign up and then get started on Binance. Binance will give you the opportunity to use the platform in order for you to trade and be able to make use of it. So I'm here to show you how all of these things work, or how you can be able to get started using Binance app or platform in your trading and all of that. Mind you that Binance tutorial and any other exchange platform tutorial, they are always valuable, and it contains a lot of information in which you need to understand before you get into it and get started with it. So one thing why Binance is the best for me is that it allows you to use it with fiat currency. So whether it is fiat on RAM or fiat off RAM, it makes it easier for you to buy your cryptocurrencies of your choice at ease. I'm coming to that. I will explain how you can be able to do all of that. So before you get started with anything that you want to do, especially if you have not signed up with Binance, all you just need to do is to ensure that you go to this profile aspect here. Once you go to this profile aspect here, you'll be able to see that it gives you the opportunities for you to put in your informations that are required. Yes. For here, you can see that my account is already verified. All you just need to do is use your information or your valid ID card in order for you to verify it. If you are in Nigeria, it even allows you to use your national ID card to verify your account and get started on Binance. So this is quite easier right now. And once you have been able to verify your account, the next thing you need to also do is to ensure that your security is also okay. This is very, very important, because you need to secure your account in order for you to be able to make use of your account effectively. So for your account to be secured, it gives you the access for you to be personal. It gives you the access for you to be protected, so that people will not be able to hack in. So right now my account is on Binance Pro, not the Binance Lite. The Binance Pro homepage will appear like this, as you can see here on my screen. This is how it will appear. So once it has been able to appear, you'll be able to see down below here the home page. You see the market, you see the trade, you also see the futures and the wallet. I will explain how all of this is. This home page here, you'll be able to see the different aspects in which it gives you to be able to do. Especially whatever currency in which you use in your country, it will appear here telling you that you can be able to deposit with your country currency. It also lets you know that you can be able to use peer-to-peer trading when you are in the platform. So Binance gives you the opportunity to do all of this. I will explain all of these things in detail as time goes on. So I'll be able to explain in detail how all of these things are about. In order for this video not to be long, I'm going to explain the major things in which you need to know for you to get started using Binance. So right here in the market aspect, look down here, you will see the market aspect. Once you click on this market aspect, you will see the favorite coins in which you must have choose. You will see the spot wallet, you will see the future wallet. All of these things are interchangeably and they are connected to each other. Now the spot wallet is where you can be able to buy some coins, save them in your wallet and leave it for some time in order for it to appreciate, for you to make some profit. So some of you will want to buy some coin, or you send some coin across to your wallet. Once it comes across to your wallet in your Binance, it will be saved in your spot wallet. And the future wallet is where you can be able to trade live trading. It's where it gives you the live trading aspect for you to be able to trade live and be able to make some money out of it. If you are new, I would not advise you to go into this future trading if you don't understand the basics or what future trading is all about. In my subsequent video, I'll be able to make how future trading works, what you need to do in order for you to make some profit out of this future trading. So in this favorite aspect here, this is where you'll be able to see some coin which you know that have some potential you would like to watch out for. You can be able to click on the future aspect star in order for it to be on your favorite aspect. Now if you go back to your home, the next thing you will be able to see is your trade. Once you click on trade aspect, you'll see where it gives you the option for you to be able to convert. You'll see the spot trading here again. You see the margin, you see the fiat, and you see the pair-to-pair. All of these things are the different things in which you see in the trading aspect. What does this convert means? Once you click on the convert aspect, you will see that it will give option for you to be able to convert a particular coin to another coin. So assuming you have BNB in your wallet and you want to convert it to another coin at ease for free, all you just need to do is to come here, put in the amount of BNB that you want, and then select the particular coin in which you want. You click on this particular aspect, select the coin which you want to convert it to with, and then it automatically goes back to your spot wallet. All of these things are all for free. All you just need to do is to understand how it works, and then you get started. So the next thing you need to understand is this margin aspect. So once you click on this margin aspect, you'll be able to see that it gives you the opportunity with this warning first, telling you that you should make sure that you fully understand the potential risk. You must pass a quiz before you'll be able to get started in this particular margin trading. So margin trading is where it gives you the opportunity to be able to borrow some assets. That is to say that it gives you the opportunity to borrow some funds in order for you to start trading. It allows you to borrow some funds, and it also allows you to trade to access greater sum of capital to leverage in the position that you are going to. So imagine you want to go into a position and you have a little amount of money. It can help you to borrow some fund, and then you can be able to make some profit out of it and get what you want. In my subsequent video, I'll be able to explain how all of these things work in order for you to get started with it. So the next thing you need to understand here is the fiat aspect. Remember I said earlier that Binance gives the opportunity for you to trade using the fiat on RAM and the fiat off RAM, which makes it easier for you to buy crypto at ease without stressing yourself. You might be wondering what is fiat on RAM and what is fiat off RAM. Well, I'll explain. Fiat on RAM is where you have the opportunity to buy cryptocurrency with fiat currencies like US dollars, euro, naira, Great Britain pound, Ghana cedis, whatever currency that your country uses is a fiat currency. So that particular currency that your country uses, Binance gives the opportunity to be able to buy with it with your card. Now if you click on this select currency, it gives you the opportunity. All you just need to do is to look for the currency that your country is using, and then you select it that you want to use it to buy some. You want to use it to buy a coin. So all you just need to do is to put in your card number and all of that. But if you're in Nigeria and you are looking for a way to buy your coin, this is not, I will not advise you to use this particular process, because you will not be able to get the result that you are looking for, because our card in Nigeria are limited. I always advise that you use the peer-to-peer section. You can be able to buy some cryptocurrencies even without your card. I will come to the peer-to-peer aspect where I will explain again. Another thing you need to understand is that fiat off-ramp is the process where you exchange Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrency of your choice to a fiat currency. What do I mean? I mean that the fiat off-ramp gives the opportunity to be able to exchange your cryptocurrency. Let me say that you have Bitcoin in your wallet and you want some cash. You want the cash to your bank account. Binance gives the opportunity to trade it out and then get the cash directly into your bank account. So This is what the opportunity Binance gives to you. Other platform offers this too, but Binance is always reliable and trusted by many traders and all of that. Now, I talked about the peer-to-peer trading, especially for those who are in Nigeria. This works for you effectively because of the limitations that we have in our country, Nigeria, where our card are being limited. So once you click on the peer-to-peer aspect, you will see that you have the option for you to buy or you have the option for you to sell. For you to be able to buy or sell, you have to choose the amount you want and all of that. I have a video where I've been able to explain how all of these things work. It's just very easy. All you just need to do is to click on the buy aspect or the sell aspect, and then you look for a merchant who have their particular amount you want, and then you do a bank transfer and then get the coin directly into your Binance wallet. Very easy. I'll leave the video of how I explain how the peer-to-peer trading works in the description. Do well to watch it in order for you to understand all of this. I don't want to make this video too long. If you come back to the home page here, you will notice that the next thing you will see here is a future trading. Remember I said earlier, all of them are interchangeably. You can see one from the other aspect. If you go back to my home, you can also access it from there and all of that. But once you come down below here in your home screen, you will always see it here where you see the future trading. Now, the future trading is where you are able to trade live trading. You are trading what is happening in the market. Let me say that you want to trade and you want to make profit and all of that. All you just need to do is to come to the future trade and trade what is happening exactly now in the market and all of that. But before you go into this, ensure that you have good knowledge on it and all of that. Future trading is not something that someone who is very new can just go into and just start trading and all of that. It's not where you do experiment and all of that, because if you are not careful, you end up donating your money to the market and then you come out without anything. Don't worry, in my next video I'll be able to explain how this future trading works. I will explain how everything works, what is USD margin, what is coin margin, what the options and all of these things. I will explain how all of these things work so that you can be able to understand how future trading works and all of that. So this future trading is in depth. It's not something I'll just come to explain to you right now, but I'm trying to help you to understand that this future trading is for people who have great knowledge on cryptocurrency and can trade and have the ability to stay in the market in order to get the profit that they are looking for. Now, if you go back to the home again and you go down below again, you will see the wallet aspect. The wallet aspect is where you see an overview of all the coins in which you have in your wallet, starting from your spot wallet, your earning, your fund, your cross margin, your isolated margin, your USD futures, coin futures, and all of that. So it brings across all the funds in which you have together, and it tells you what you have in your wallet. And one thing you need to also understand is that whenever you receive a coin from someone, it will always appear in your spot wallet. Whether you want to receive or you want to transfer to another wallet or platform that is not your Binance platform, you always come to your spot wallet to do that transaction. You also want to withdraw, you can also come here to do that. So once you want to deposit on your Binance platform, all you just need to do is to come here, you go and select the particular coin in which you want to deposit. Assuming I want to deposit, let me say I want to deposit a coin known as Bitcoin or a Binance or USDT, for instance. So I want to deposit USDT. Binance will ask me which particular USDT do I want to deposit. Remember, the fees vary depending on the coin you want to deposit or you want to transfer to whoever you want to do that. So imagine you want to receive a coin from someone from another place. All you just need to do is come here to select the particular coin, tell the person the particular coin that you want to receive from the person. So imagine I want to use USDT. I always advise everyone who want to use USDT to always use this particular Tron 20, which is TRC20. It has a limited number of gas fee. It has a limited number of fee in which you can charge you when you want to transfer to someone, and if you want to receive, always send this to anyone, and then you see that Binance will give you your wallet in which you need to just copy and send to the person. So all you just need to do is to understand how it works, and then you'll be able to get started. Don't worry, in my next video where I'll be able to share how all of these things work in details, and I'll go in depth in them. I don't want to make this video too more than this length so that it will not be too long and get you confused and all of that. So the same way you deposit, that's the same way you transfer and all of that. So I will explain this further when I come back again. If you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification, and don't forget to give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this video. One way you can be able to show your support is by subscribing to my channel so that I'll be able to do more videos like that. You can go to the comment section and comment the video you want me to do next. If you want me to do how the future trading works, or how you can be able to transfer funds from your Binance wallet to whatever other exchange platform you want, just go to the comment section and type what you want. I'll be able to do that video for you to see. So as I see you on my next video, stay safe. I love you all. Peace.